In this video, I will show you how to change currency in Amazon. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do is come across to the Amazon website and log into your account. From here, to change the currency, come up to the top right hand corner of Amazon. Next to your name, you're going to see your country flag over here, and if you hover over this, you've got the option to change currency. You can see there's a few that's going to be displayed, but you can also see it says see all underneath. So if you give that a click, this is going to take you to your currency settings, where you can change to any of the available currencies, or just choose the drop down box here if you want further options. So for example, if I wanted to change to US dollars from Great British Pounds, what I would do is find that from the list here. So we can see that's here at the top. Just a note, you will be shown prices in this particular currency as a reference only, but whether you can or cannot pay in this currency is of course not guaranteed. You can of course see more details about this process during checkout. All you want to do once you select your currencies, click the Save Changes button, and even though we're still on amazon.co.uk, you're going to see if I click onto anything, the currency would have now changed and we are showing in US dollars. So that's how to change currency in Amazon. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.